The government has decided, to immediately appoint expert agency to go deep to the alleged leakages of the tanki stored at Domyaset, relating to uranium testing. So we decided today that expert agency will be entrusted to immediately undertake all the details and also to bring back the report to the government.